Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. You don't want to do nothing, go on living life every single day without earning money. That feels so unpleasing just thinking about it, would you? You could open up your laptop or even your mobile phone, follow my instructions today, and get yourself started earning a great deal of money. You can then relax or even hang out with your friends with no worries because you earn money every day. If it doesn't matter where you live if you choose to follow this tutorial and want to earn money. If you don't want to make money, but are worried it won't work because of your location, don't worry, it works globally, and you can get paid every day with Top 4 Earn. Welcome to my channel where I share methods for making money online. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to smash the like button. Feel free to leave comments if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions. Now let's get started. Did you know that you can earn by using GIFs? You might be shocked right there, but yes, we can earn a lot on it. But first let me tell you what a GIF is. I know that you've seen hundreds or maybe thousands of GIFs online, but let's just understand what it is. So according to Google, GIF is a lossless format of image files that supports both animated and static images. You can't say it's a video because it doesn't have a sound, but it's not also an image because it's a GIF. Moving forward, our first step, let's go to your browser and go to Giphy.com. Giphy is a website where millions of individuals around the world contribute various gifts for various topics. There are different gifts like serious gifts, amusing gifts, nature gifts, and so many gifts with different topics that you can find on Giphy.com. If you are thinking that you are required to create and upload gifts, cancel that thought because you are not required to do that. You will simply get compensated by just getting a GIF from Giphy.com, and I will show you the steps on setting up correctly and operating it so you can get paid. So our second step, you see you have two choices here. Either you go directly to Giphy.com or you can use the search box and look for certain gifts like follower counts, likes counts, subscriber counts, Facebook like counts, and so on. For example, if you go and search follower counts, you will see so many gifts related to what you searched on. You can also go to Google and search count GIF, then go to photos and you will see more gifts. Just choose one gift that you like. Now for our third step, once you have chosen the right GIF, save it to your device. If you are using a computer or a laptop, just right click and save the image. After saving the GIF, the fourth step is going to the website Clincher.com. This is a site where you share your work with other people. It's a top-rated social media management platform, and it's also a tool that most businesses and regular people like us use to build social media accounts automatically. It maintains and expands all social media accounts, and you can see that it is guaranteed to boost your social media ROI and make you rich. It works with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, and many more social media platforms. But chill, you don't have to do this now. You also don't need to pay anything. This is free. You also don't need necessary social media account or social media followers. It's ideal for beginners with no experience or any specific skills. This website has been featured by Daily Herald, Forbes, Fox News, and other major media outlets. Clincher assists their social media accounts to grow by doing all the labor and managing the accounts. It helps to gain more followers, increasing their wealth and return of investment, or adding value and features to improve the ability to execute their strategy for a particular business owner or entrepreneur. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Going back now on earning money, let's proceed to our next step. For this fifth step, still on the eClincher website, go to the very bottom. Now beneath the eClincher intersection, let's click the partner affiliate. It means that you are joining their affiliate program for you to be able to start making money using GIFs, and those GIFs, believe it or not, can make you hundreds of dollars. Before anything else, let me get this straight. In just 2020, did you know that over 3.6 million, roughly half of the world's population, are using social media, and it's expected to rise to 4.4 million in 2025? So there's a lot of people who will benefit from using eClincher.com, and if you refer to 4.4 million, you can earn 100 on one person. 10 people are $1,000 and 100 people are $10,000. Remember that it's all for free and you won't invest any money because I will teach you a strategy to get paid without spending anything. Back to step 5, you just need to click the apply here button and you'll be redirected to a page where you need to fill up your email address, full name, leave the website that will be utilized for traffic. For now, because there's a platform that I will show you to acquire traffic, and then you can paste the link as a website. No need to use your website. Then you can leave the company name and number blank unless you have one. Next, you choose your country, and you can see that it works worldwide. Now you can create your password, add your social media account links, meet their terms and conditions, click on the captcha and hit sign up, and now you can get your special affiliate link, and when someone clicks on it they'll be able to sign up to eClancher, and you can make 100 per person. So if you have 3 persons you'll get $300. I will show you how you can reach millions of people. Now on to the next step, which is when you finally get your affiliate link, you now start driving traffic using the GIFs that you have downloaded for free. Now open a new browser and go to imgood.com. This website is viewed by over 200 million people every month, and take note that you only need 3 people to get $300 or 6 people to make 600, and so on. For step number 6, you will simply sign up, and it's completely free. It won't even take more than a minute to register, and it is a lifetime account. Once you are signed up, you can now publish the GIF you downloaded on your computer. Just click the new post and you will be routed to its page where you can upload your GIF, and you can see how appealing it is. Don't forget to give your post a headline and make sure that it's something catchy or something that will get people's attention, so you can get them to click your link. To get the $100 per person, on the description box write your call to action and leave your special affiliate link. Make sure that you will be able to catch people's attention. Here you can also add tags. For example, you uploaded a follower count GIF. Now on your headline you can write increase your social media accounts automatically. Then on the description box you can write sign up here, or you can write something catchier and then leave your special affiliate link. You can add tags like influencers or social media. When all is done you can now publish it, and it will be posted to the Ember community. I know for sure that you can attract a lot of people because you have a call to action, a nice looking GIF, and your affiliate link. Now you can earn $100 for each person whenever they click your link, and it's so cool because you can keep on posting using different GIFs that you think will grab people's attention. GIF is not just for entertainment purposes only, because using GIFs can make you earn a lot of money as well, and just by simply using the steps that I showed you. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Top 4 Earn It. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Sure. If you're serious about making money and improving your financial situation, then subscribing to my channel is a must. I am dedicated to sharing valuable and actionable advice that can help you earn a passive income, save money, and grow your wealth. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, start a side hustle, or simply want to learn how to budget and manage your money more effectively, I've got you covered. On my channel, you'll find a variety of content including instructional videos, success stories, and interviews with successful entrepreneurs. I'll be sharing my own experiences and insights, as well as those of others who have achieved financial success. With my guidance, you'll be able to make informed decisions about your money and take control of your financial future. In addition to the practical advice and tips I'll be sharing, you can also expect to be motivated and inspired by the stories of others who have overcome financial challenges and achieved their goals. Subscribe now and join me on this journey to financial freedom.